Jumping and swimming. Or toad. Most toads live in dry places. They have bumpy skin, whereas frogs have smooth skin. Toads have poison glands behind their eyes to protect them from predators. Their short hind legs are for hopping and walking, not for jumping. Toads, such as this giant toad, cannot change the color of their skin to camouflage themselves. Frogs in danger. Frogs are very sensitive to their surroundings. Even tiny changes in the environment can greatly affect their health. Frogs are an indicator species because they react to these changes sooner than other animals do. The presence, absence, and health of frogs in an area can tell us about the health of the environment. People all over the world are noticing malformed frogs, or frogs with abnormal bodies. Some of these frogs are missing eyes and legs. Others have extra or poorly formed legs. No one is sure why the frogs are becoming malformed, but many people believe that air and water pollution are to blame. Scientists around the world are studying frogs to find out why they are malformed and dying. After eating malformed frogs, other animals are becoming sick too. If pollution is making frogs and other animals unhealthy, it could also make people sick. Fewer places to live. Frogs are part of a healthy planet, but they are in trouble. The greatest danger to frogs is the loss of their habitats all over the world. People drain wetlands, clear forests, and build roads and buildings where frogs once lived. They introduce or bring new animals into frog habitats. Some of these animals eat tadpoles and frogs, and others compete with frogs for food. Vanishing frogs. The number of frogs is shrinking worldwide. At least 3 types have become extinct in the last 20 years. Extinct means extinct animals no longer live anywhere on Earth. Even rainforest frogs have begun to vanish, and they are in areas far from where people live. Scientists think that pollution may be to blame. Frogs can survive only in water that is not polluted by chemicals. If there are no frogs or other amphibians living in a pond, it is a sign that the pond is polluted. No sunscreen for frogs. Each year, more ultraviolet light from the sun reaches Earth. Ultraviolet light causes suntans, sunburns, and skin cancer in people. Some scientists think that the extra ultraviolet light may harm frogs as they grow and cause them to become malformed. Helping our frog friends. You can help frogs and other animals by taking care of the environment. Ask your parents, teacher, or neighbors to help you organize a cleanup of local wetlands, such as ponds and streams. Picking up garbage near ponds and streams helps keep frog homes safe. Ask your family and neighbors to stop using chemicals on their lawns and gardens. When it rains, the chemicals we spray on lawns and on farmland get washed into the ponds, rivers, and lakes where frogs live. These chemicals can hurt frogs and other animals. These children are cleaning up a wetland area by collecting tires and other garbage. Hidden chemicals. Even soaps such as dishwashing and laundry detergents have harmful chemicals in them. If your friends and family switch to natural or biodegradable soaps and cleaners, fewer chemicals will get into the water cycle. Remember that everything we spray on lawns, flush down toilets, or pour down sinks ends up in our lakes, ponds, rivers, and oceans. Get hopping! Check out the website allaboutfrogs.org for more information on helping frogs. At this website, you can also learn how to raise your own frog. Glossary. Biodegradable. Describing something that can be broken down naturally without polluting. Camouflage. Skin colors and patterns that help an animal blend with its surroundings. To blend in with one's surroundings. Carnivore. An animal that eats only meat. Gill. A body part found in fish and tadpoles that takes oxygen from water. Gland. A body part that releases a liquid. Habitat. The natural place where a plant or animal is found.